be that. I wanna look am. We dey kanke. What you dey for do? Na for give now. Better information them. We don't throw na big time salute. We don't tell na. I dey see member people the way last Friday they not make the way they be supposed to make a minute make up for the way they man chop mutton. May not be problem. I dey see salute now and I hope say it pass fine for play on every day. It pass fine for our house. It pass fine for the family because na Muslim feast. But it concern all we because na public holiday and then we be one. You understand no? Yes, na so it is because na Christian feast, Muslim too they accompany we. So if na Muslim feast, we too we get for accompany our Muslim brothers. As I talk for big grammar, we are a family. I don't knock am. Yeah. Aha. Countryman. The first story we did today. Now for that one for waiting. Baccalaureate. Pikin they right back today. I know me back probatoire, sorry. Baccalaureate we don't start since. Now probatoire. That transition examination where they make am Pikin come up for 6 years for secondary school, go for year 7. That means say it pass year 6 for go for year way, it go right back. So it is so at the year say probatoire they drunk plenty. Say in a period that way, plenty Pikin them so on they fail. And then so Tori be don't come out, say it is so me they do all two they go do a suit for council that probatoire. The Cameroon government, they don't continue with them. They go for different countries like Chad, Central African Republic, probatoire no day again. Pikin they just write their normal examination for class, and then when they pass, they go write their back the other year. That's why they so we look up, I go be with the which all Pikin them when they don't enter now, they write their probatoire. Good luck. Una no, una get for learn. Yeah, you pray after. Then if you not learn, then you pray now only pray. Prayer no go help you for pass. But if you learn, then you pray, you go pass. So now so the matter day.